Hey guys, welcome to this session on RPA tools. In this video, we are going to compare the most commonly used RPA tools, namely Blue Prism, UiPath and Automation Anywhere. So what's in it for you? First, we learn why exactly RPA came into picture and then what exactly RPA is. Lastly, we'll compare the tools based on trial version, base technologies, process designer, accessibility, macro recorders, architecture, learning, robots, accuracy, reusability, pricing, and then certification. So without further ado, let's begin and understand why was RPA introduced. Consider the process of onboarding a recruit to your organization. The whole process will involve tasks like creating a new user account, a new email address, access rights, documents retrieval, and so on. So instead of doing all of this manually, one can automate the process. So with RPA, the user can automatically activate a template for the onboarding workflow. RPA can help assess, prepare and create new joinee data, initiate mailing of offer letters, and streamline the information across different systems. So what is RPA? Robotic process automation is the use of software with artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to handle high-volume repeated tasks that previously required humans to perform. Now, some of these tasks could include addressing queries, making calculations, maintaining records, or even making transactions. Now, RPA tools are the software through which one can configure tasks that are to be automated. So some of the widely used tools are UiPath Studio, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, WorkFusion, among others. Now, assuming you have a basic understanding of RPA, let's go on and compare the popularly used tools. First up is trial version. Every tool generally offers a trial version for its users to get acquainted with the tool. This helps the users understand the tool better and decide if they want to proceed with using the tool. Blue Prism offers a free trial version. It's available in two options, either on the cloud or on the local computer. UiPath also offers a free edition. Both trial and license versions are available. Automation Anywhere offers a free community version, and both trial and license versions are available. Next up is base technologies. Base technologies define the technology with which the software was built. Blue Prism is based on C#. UiPath is based on Microsoft vendors like SharePoint, Kibana, and Elasticsearch, while Automation Anywhere is based on modern Java technologies. The third feature of comparison is Process Designer. Blue Prism enables you to create, design, edit, as well as test business processes from the Visual Business Object. Now, a VBO is like an adapter provided by Blue Prism for communicating with an application. Each Visual Business Object implements a specific set of operations on an application's user interface. So these are basically like objects that encapsulate a particular functional logic. UiPath, on the other hand, acts as a visual process designer with developer-friendly options. Now, a visual process designer is a dashboard consisting of various tools through which the developer can define the automation tasks. Automation Anywhere is developer-friendly with a visual interface built for business users along with advanced features for developers. Business users and developers can work side by side to build bots. They can see the visual interface and code in a single screen. The next feature of comparison is accessibility. Blue Prism offers browser-based access only. UiPath and Automation Anywhere, on the contrary, offer both application-based and browser-based accessibility. In case of Automation Anywhere, the control room can be accessed with a browser or a mobile application. This is the only platform where users can create bots on any device or any operating system. Moving on to the next feature, learning. Now, in case of Blue Prism, the user should have the necessary knowledge of programming. He should be able to create business objects and manage them in the control center. UiPath enables you to design automation processes visually through diagrams. The developer need not know a programming language in particular. When it comes to Automation Anywhere, it is developer-friendly and offers both visual and programming features. Business users can build bots with the help of drag and drop features. Beginners benefit from the built-in product walkthrough. Next up is robots. Now before we jump in, let's discuss what the different types of bots are. There are two types of bots. You have the front office bots, whose deployment is in the user's control. You also have back office bots that can run on locked machines from an orchestrator. The user may not be actively involved in its working. So moving on to the comparison, Blueprism offers back office automation only. UiPath and Automation Anywhere offer both front and back office automation. In case of Automation Anywhere, the HBC or the human bot collaboration feature enables humans and bots to work together to complete a task and also to manage exceptions and escalations. Moving on, the next feature is Macro Recorder. Now the Macro Recorder allows you to record keyboard activities and mouse events to generate automation scripts. These activities are arranged based on the order or sequence of actions being performed on the screen. So moving on to the comparison, Blueprism does not use a macro recorder. UiPath makes use of a macro recorder to enable fast process mapping. Automation Anywhere offers a universal recorder so that the user need not select different recorders for different tasks. Moving on to the next feature, architecture. An application that runs on the client side and accesses the remote server for information uses the client-server architecture, whereas an application that runs entirely on a web browser uses the web architecture. In case of a client-server architecture, the user interaction with the server is always through a user interface or application on the client side. On the other hand, in a web application, the user interaction is thoroughly through a web browser. Now, Blueprism and UiPath both incorporate a client-server architecture. Automation Anywhere incorporates a cloud-native web-based microservices architecture. It is the only platform that provides a complete digital worker solution on the web. Users with any skill level can instantly start building robots on a browser without any heavy installation. The next feature is accuracy. Blueprism is accurate for desktop, web, and Citrix automation. UiPath shines in Citrix automation designed for BPO automation. And Automation Anywhere shines in Citrix automation with AI Sense technology. Well, any automation solution built using a virtual desktop or built to work in virtual desktops is called Citrix automation. Moving on to the next feature, reusability. Blueprism consists of a library of business objects that can be reused across multiple methods. It also offers high reliability. In the case of UiPath, the processes can be used for various synthesis services with several workflow modules. As a result, UiPath offers a high degree of reusability and moderate reliability. In the case of Automation Anywhere, apart from the standard common library, users can develop custom actions, upload and manage packages in their enterprise control room. Every bot created in Automation Anywhere is reusable. The bot store has hundreds of pre-configured bots and digital workers to kickstart a user's RPA journey. Next up is pricing. Blueprism has a high cost of acquisition. It also offers restricted training. UiPath offers effective, pleasant entry-level pricing. Automation Anywhere offers attractive entry-level pricing. Its users also experience the lowest total cost of ownership because of its native capabilities and web-based architecture. Moving on to the last feature, certifications. Blueprism offers several certifications like Blueprism Professional Developer, Blueprism ROM Architect, among others. UiPath provides free online training and certification programs like RPA Developer Advanced Certification. Automation Anywhere University offers free online training and certification programs for both students and advanced practitioners. Professionals can also avail job role-specific certifications. There are several RPA tools in the market today. However, Blueprism, Automation Anywhere, and UiPath are leading the market. So with that, we come to the end of this session. I hope the video helped you gain a clear picture of the three tools. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. I'm going to see you guys next time. Until then, keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.